Everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Vybz Kartel to be featured on Chris Brown's Forthcoming project. The Grammy Award-winning singer made the revelation early today in an Instagram post, also announcing other acts featured on the project.
Live tonight at the House of Brown, we proudly present a night of soul, R&B, and timeless classics, starring Chris Brown and featuring Leon Thomas, Tank, Vybz Kartel, Bryson Tiller, NBA Youngboy, Glorilla, Friday, Sexy Red, and Lucky Day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
The album, titled Brown, marks the singer's 12th studio project and is set for release on Friday, May 8. Ziggy Marley's Bright Side tops U.S. reggae iTunes charts. According to World Music Views, the project, which was released on the 1st of May, explores themes of mental health, healing, and self-reflection. It also includes a first for Marley, a song dedicated to his legendary father, Bob Marley, with the track Many Mourn for Bob.
When I was doing the song, I felt connected to him deeply. And I felt like his voice was coming through me in a way. This was also his song, not just my song. And it kind of does give us that, my father went through a lot. I know everybody see him as a big star and a big legend, but he went through a lot emotionally. And I've connected with that a lot. Since I've gotten older, I've connected with him on that emotional level and what he went through.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't all hunky-dory, or, you know, he went through a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm feeling that emotional connection to him, and I think that song represents that.
Beyonce, Rihanna, Kim Kardashian, Tiana Taylor, among the best dressed at this year's Met Gala. British Vogue has unveiled its best dressed list following Monday evening's staging of the Met Gala under the theme Fashion is Art. Queen Bee, of course, made the list after her grand return following a 10-year hiatus from the Met Gala steps. Beyonce donned a sheer gown embellished with a crystal skeleton.
It's been 10 years.
10 years.
How does it feel being back?
It feels surreal because my daughter's here.
And Blue looks so beautiful.
She looks so beautiful. It's incredible to be able to share it with her, and I think she looks so incredible.
Beyoncé was on official duties alongside Nicole Kidman, Venus Williams, and Anna Wintour co-hosting the event. Kim Kardashian also turned heads in designs by Alan Jones and Whittaker Malem. In true fashion, Rihanna was the last to arrive wearing Maison Margiela. Now, Tiana Taylor did not go unnoticed in Tom Ford. Jimmy Kimmel is back in the hot seat. This time, it's because of a joke he made about Rudy Giuliani on his late-night TV show. Last Tuesday, he said that Giuliani rose from the grave in a joke about the former New York mayor being a vampire. Then on Sunday, it was announced that Giuliani was hospitalized in critical condition due to a bout of pneumonia. Monday, Kimmel denied rumors of being psychic and said he hopes Giuliani lives another 100 years. This comes after Kimmel made a joke about Melania Trump being an expectant widow days before the shooting at the White House Correspondents' Dinner. And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.